Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off running apps on the Oppo A5x. To do that, just open the Phone Manager app on your smartphone. Now on this page, just tap on System Boost. And as you can see, these are all the running apps on your smartphone. Now to turn off all the running apps, just tap on Boost Now. And once you do that, you will turn off all the running apps on your smartphone. Now, sometimes some apps are not detected by the System Booster app and they still run in the background. Now, to turn off those specific apps, just tap on Done and go to your home screen. From here, just swipe down and open the Control Center on your smartphone. Then tap on the three dots over here. Then tap on Active Apps. And from here, you will find all the apps which are active in the background. Now, to turn off these apps, just tap on Stop. And once you do that, you will turn off all the apps which are running in the background. And this is how you can turn off running apps on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.